Good morning, students. Today we are starting chapter 11, that is infrastructure. So first of all, we have to learn what is infrastructure. Infrastructure refers to support system of economic and social development of a country. Infrastructure refers to those core elements which are necessary for economic and social development of a country. So in this way, infrastructure is of two types: economic infrastructure and social infrastructure. Economic infrastructure refers to such elements of support system like power, transport, communication, which serve as a driving force for production capacity, production activity in the economy. Abundant availability of power supply would accelerate the pace of production activity. Abundant means of transport would facilitate the movement of goods and services across the country, and abundant means of communication would facilitate exchange and so on forth. So these economic infrastructure are a base, are very necessary for the economic growth of a country. And next is social infrastructure. These are those elements like schools, colleges, hospitals and nursing homes which serve as a driving force for social development of a country. Without these elements, a society will be unhealthy and inefficient. So these elements are compulsory, necessary for social development of a country. Now we'll see how is infrastructure important for the development of a country. So first point is infrastructure promotes productivity. Productivity in primary sector. How? If there are no means of irrigation, these are also basic elements, then agricultural production would entirely depend on rainfall. In secondary sector, if there is no economic infrastructure, energy, coal, petroleum, electricity, then production would depend only upon natural factors like wind energy or solar energy. In tertiary sector, if there are no transport and communication means, then there are the sector like tourism would suffer, and there are no movements of labor or goods. So transport and communication are the basic elements in tertiary sector. Next is infrastructure induces investment. Infrastructure induces investment. It means it increases investment. Like a developed network of highways would definitely induce investment across all sectors of the economy. It facilitates efficient movements of goods and services across different regions of the country. So infrastructure से investment increase होता है. Next, infrastructure generates linkages to the in production, developed means of transport and communication, ample sources of energy along with good facilities of banking and insurance would generate inter-industrial linkages. तो इस तरह की सुविधाएं, इस तरह के core elements जितने ज़्यादा डेवलप्ड होंगे उतने ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्रीज़ की आपस में इंटर इंडस्ट्रियल लिंकेजेस इंक्रीज होते हैं, एंड इन दिस वे ग्रोथ बिकम्स अ सेल्फ प्रोपेलिंग एक्टिविटी ऑफ चेंज, और ग्रोथ भी हाई स्पीड से होती है. नेक्स्ट, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एनहांसेस साइज ऑफ द मार्केट. जितने ज़्यादा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन और कम्युनिकेशन के सोर्सेज डेवलप्ड होंगे उतना ही मार्केट का साइज़ भी डेवलप होगा. ब्रिटिश प्रोडक्ट्स इंडिया में हमारे कंट्री के हर कोने तक ब्रिटिशर्स ने पहुंचाए, किसके द्वारा? ओनली थ्रू द रेलवेज, मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. एंड नेक्स्ट, एन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एनहांसेस एबिलिटी टू वर्क. वी आर रेफरिंग टू सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लाइक एजुकेशन फैसिलिटीज़ एंड हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज़. दीज फैसिलिटीज़ enhance the ability to work, increase to our health and our skill formation. So growth process is accelerated by the social infrastructure. Next, it facilitates outsourcing. A country having a good infrastructure emerges as a destination for outsourcing. India is emerging to be global destination for call centers, study centers and medical tourism. What is आउटसोर्सिंग? स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम अपने कंट्री में बैठकर दूसरे कंट्री में अपनी सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं थ्रू ऑनलाइन, अपनी ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज देते हैं, बहुत सारे सेक्टर्स में हमारे लोग काम कर रहे हैं, तो इट इज़ आउटसोर्सिंग, बट इट इज़ ओनली पॉसिबल थ्रू इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. नेक्स्ट, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंड्यूसेस FDI, फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट, और दूसरे कंट्रीज़ में को अगर हम अपने कंट्री में अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, इनवाइट करते हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए, तो वो भी बिना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के पॉसिबल नहीं हैं. इट्स ओनली पॉसिबल थ्रू द मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड communication. In this way we see that infrastructure is very important in all fields, whether in economic growth or for social growth. So next topic is energy, and it is deleted from your syllabus in this session. So that's all for today. Thank you.